major India Today impact. The touted miracle cure that was being distributed in Andhra's Nellore district has now been stopped. The Jagan Mohan Reddy government has now roped in the Central Ayush Ministry to probe the controversial drug's efficacy. Listen in.
Thousands gathered to get their hand on a miracle drug. Absolutely no social distancing, and many among them are infected by COVID. Barely believable images from Nellore in Andhra Pradesh that shocked many. There is a lockdown in place, but that hasn't stopped this madness. Once these shocking images were played up by India Today, now Andhra government has stopped the sale of this medicine being touted as COVID cure. Centre's Ayush department has been roped in to probe the efficacy of the so-called COVID cure.
It's been going on since Ram Navami at least. Recently, it has gained prominence and more number of people from outside started walking into the village for treatment. Now that I have sent my team of officers, they are already there. By tomorrow evening, hopefully we will get a preliminary understanding of what exactly is happening, whether there is any possibility of any harm to anybody. If we find that there is a possibility of any harm to anybody, obviously we have to take a view in this.
The COVID wards of Nellore Hospital were all vacant as the patients went to grab the miracle medicine despite no evidence of efficacy.
As he is not collecting the money, so the Bunige Anandaya, he is not collecting any money from the persons who are getting the treatment there. He is giving it voluntarily. Only thing is, the COVID protocol is not followed there. It may cause the explosion of the COVID disease. So the collectors are instructed us to send the samples to the Ayush department Vijayawada. So we did that. We have sent the medicines, 5 types of medicines which he is dispersing to the persons. After receiving the report whether they are safe to use or not, then the Honorable Collector, District Collector will take the decision how to disperse the medicine. Whether to disperse it or not also, the Collector has to take the decision.
Andhra Pradesh Lokayukta has ordered an inquiry and found that the person, B. Anandaya, who was distributing the medicine, is only an intermediate pass out. With no professional training, the self-claimed Ayurvedic practitioner was handing out the medicines for free.
One Mr. Anandaya, who is making medicine for this corona. Traditionally, their family members were making these Ayurvedic medicines from a long time. So he started giving this medicine to the COVID patients. So people have gained confidence, faith, showing good results within very short period. So we will start distributing this with this thing. We have some action plan we have to prepare, and we have to prepare some roadmap with Ayush officials and all. After discussing this issue, we will distribute this medicine if everybody feels that this is good, because basically it gives good immunity, and this is not a only medicine that can be used. This is in addition to the other medicines, so it is giving extra immunity.
After India Today's report, YS Jagan government has sent experts including Ayurveda doctors to Nellore to study the chemistry behind the medicine. Andhra Pradesh is one of the worst hit states, and the shocking violation of COVID norms over a controversial cure only makes things worse.
Violating lockdown and COVID-19 protocol on Friday, over 40,000 people gathered at Krishnapatnam to get this so-called magic medicine. But our relentless coverage forced the administration to stop the distribution. Now the opposition TDP is also questioning that how, without having proper clarification and investigation, the state government and local administration allowed the distribution of this so-called magic medicine. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
And Ashish Pandey is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from the city of Hyderabad. Ashish, to begin with, it's great that our reportage, in fact, has got the authorities to then see that whatever was happening in terms of this distribution and these bizarre pictures really of people queuing up for this vaccine, no data on the efficacy, nobody knows that who's peddling these lies and then these drugs, essentially, to say that this is curing you of COVID-19. The world hasn't found a cure. Forget this doctor who was peddling this lie there.
Yes, Sneha, you're absolutely right. When we spoke to the district administration as well as a health official in the government of Andhra Pradesh, they initially said that it's a local practice, and they said that it's a local practice, and every area, every village in Andhra Pradesh has certain kind of local practices. And since this medicine they claim that this medicine has no side effect, so there is nothing wrong. But we kept covering this story, we kept exposing and questioning the large gathering of the crowd. That crowd includes those COVID-19 positive, very severe patients also. In fact, local hospital patients also started rushing to get this so-called magic medicine. That led to now state government requesting central authorities, including Central Ayush Ministry, to send a team to investigate the efficacy, the content of this so-called medicine. The central team, state team has visited this Krishnapatnam where this distribution was taking place. Now distribution has been stopped at least for 10 days. Central government, state authorities, both are now investigating and studying this so-called medicine, so-called Ayurvedic medicine. Once the data comes, once the report comes, then the government will see that whether this is beneficiary or whether it is causing any kind of harm. Meanwhile, we are getting reports that few of the persons who received this so-called medicine, the eye drops, now they are complaining about certain complications, Neha.
All right, Ashish, but you know, we need to understand how this was happening for such a long time now. This person was distributing this medicine, and people were getting fooled really with the government saying time and again that there are medications that are being used to manage the infection. Having said that, tell us what sort of action is going to be taken against those who are selling this drug and saying that this is actually a cure for COVID-19.
Yes, and that's why possibly that's the reason now the opposition, Telugu Desam Party, in fact, Telugu Desam Party President and former Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu now questioning the entire handling of this so-called distribution of Ayurvedic medicine. He questioned that how government allowed the distribution of this medicine without having proper data, proper study. Once government has get the data, they have the proof, they have the proper detailing about this medicine, definitely no one will object, no one will question the government move, or in fact the person who is distributing this medicine free of cost. But since there is no data, his professional integrity is in question, because he is doing this Ayurvedic medicine treatment or distribution or manufacturing of Ayurvedic medicine based on his experience. That's why we are raising questions, and that's why now state government has sought help of central agencies also to investigate, to find out, to study this so-called Ayurvedic medicine.
All right, Ashish, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Finally, the government in fact has woken up and acted after India Today's report that there was this drug that was being distributed and sold as a cure for COVID-19. The government also there saying that we are going to approach the Ayush Ministry and asking them to study how far is this drug really working to treat, to cure patients of COVID-19.